I've previously done my favourite cinematic drone moves. I'm going to show you guys now implementing them in a live flight in Mallorca and show you. So let's get it and we create some fire content. I'll be using the DJI Mini 3 Pro today, and these are my settings. So go to the top right corner and control and gain and expo tuning. Now I'm going to be going back and forth between normal and cine mode, and I'll say on the video when. So these are my settings here for the speed. That's normal mode, and across the cine mode I've used a new firmware update to slow it down right as much as possible. We're in cine mode at the moment. Slowest possible settings. This spot is insane. I feel like here is actually a really epic shot for a jib shot. Oh, I love how you can see the detail. Let's go up. Revealing the detail. Okay, now here I feel like this is perfectly lined up for an orbit shot. I'm going to do two actually. I'm going to do one in cine mode. Honestly, this is such a beautiful island. Often takes that drone to start moving just before you get it lined up. Now I feel like I could be a little bit, because I do want to do a wider jib shot as well. So this angle here, this feels good. Let's go back again. This point, I feel like a pullback would be a good. I've got like a lined up angle here for a pullback. So let's go forwards. Give yourself a little bit of leeway. There's a little bit of wind, so I don't want to be too close there. Okay, so let's go into normal mode. So have a bit of speed to this. I like this angle here. Let's go further back. Oh man, look at the beauty. Look at this. Details in the background. A little bit blown out there, but oh, look at that. Okay, now something that's important to do, to remember, is to also get, what I also really want to capture is, it's tempting to focus only on that, but I want to capture a push-in shot to introduce the area as well. So we're going to do that, just fly over these hills here, just have a wider. Don't need to go too far. It's a little bit blown out, but sometimes you have to forgive yourself a little bit. Oh, look at the mountains. But I need to remember to do top down. This is why it's really good to have these lists of shots to capture. So quickly flip. I want to get a top down over the actual statue itself. There we go. Yeah, look at this. Here we go. We haven't done a slider move yet, so I'm going to actually combine two in one. Yeah, I like how you can see the shadow here and do this slide move across. Top down jib up. So now as sun sets, obviously we're getting closer to that magical part of sunset. So let's do an orbit around this castle. I'm going to bring the drone back and then move on to another spot just down there, set off another battery and capture the cross. Tough getting the right ND filter this time of day, but we'll do the best we can. Okay, now we've got through that mast, so this is when the magic really can happen. Yeah, look at that, look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Wow, and nice and close up. Also going to do a little cinematic push in here, close up push in, because I can go from that one at the start to then transition across to this. And this is just asking to be orbited here. Wow. A little bit off with my orbit there. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is why it's always good to get an orbit in early. Okay, so I'm going to work on this shot, go even closer. I think I'm doing the best I can with the exposure here. I mean, it's tough, isn't it? It's not sunset. You've got to give yourself a bit of leeway. I like this angle for the jib shot. I just think it might reveal if we get really close. You know what? I'm going to do a cine orbit here as well. No, a bit closer, a bit closer. Let's get greedy. Let's get greedy with the orbits. Wow. Because it's got to be significantly different to what I captured before. Okay. Tilt the gimbal down a bit. Look at that. This is why. You know what, guys? I don't really like the vertical video, but I'm tempted. Should I do? Oh, let's do a bit of dirty vertical video. Sorry, you real cinematographers out there. I couldn't resist the urge while I'm in that spot. I'll probably mess it up now. No, it's going all right. It's going okay. They'll never know on the reels anyway. Not real cinematographers, are they? Okay, right. Back to normal mode. Okay. Jib shot. Jib shot, nice and close on the jib shot. Nice and close. Yeah, look at that little burst of sun there. Look at the burst. Okay. Right. This is the money when it's going to go up here. Look at that reveal. And you know what? I want a little bit more sky as well. And I'm going to get even closer because I just want it to be so different to the other shots. That's why there's no point doing the same shot looking so similar to how I got it. And I might not even use all these shots in the edit. I may well go for just the orbit because look at that though. It's interesting because it's different. Look at that. Okay. Right, let's go up. It's a little bit fast this, even though that was in cine mode, I felt that was too fast. I've got it the slowest settings possible. Okay. It's probably not too fast, it's probably all right. Look at that, look at that. Sun coming through. Okie dokie, beautiful. Right. So, pull back. Okay, so we obviously want to miss it, we don't want to go into it. So let's go forwards. And then go, you'll be very careful, go straight back. Yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, look at the light in there, guys, look at that. Look at that. So hopefully that shows you guys, sunsets, they are madness. It's like ND filters, can't do my top down shot. It is crazy. So they are slightly different to normal videos where in the middle of the day, it just, everything changes so quickly and sometimes it's about getting a nice shot. It's not about always doing it perfectly with the perfect settings that you see on the sheet. And it can be a bit of a scramble, but that's what makes it so much fun at the end of the day. So yeah. Just sunsets, and always leave enough battery, always leave enough, because I could do with one more if I'm being honest at this point. I'm happy with what I've got, but would I love one more battery? Yes. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to this channel, I've got a lot of educational content specifically for the Mini 3 Pro, how to grade D-Cine-like footage. I'm also working on a new video where I bumped into a professional TV drone operative and got his opinion on the Mini 3 Pro. So I'm going to include that in an upcoming video on whether the Mini 3 Pro is the perfect travel drone and also share his opinions on it. So I'll see you guys in that video.